The project manager will first create the schedule management plan. The purpose of this plan is to create a roadmap of how the schedule will be created, managed, and controlled throughout the project. The schedule management plan is developed as part of developing the project management plan. The plan may get revised later if there is a need. It is also possible that the project management methodology recommends reviewing the plan for later phases of the project. The project manager will take up the review of organizational policies, availability of IT infrastructure and scheduling software, any databases like some commercial lesson learned databases, procedures, templates and guides, previous project data, and even the culture of the organization. The information collected from these reviews will be used to decide which method, tool, and model will be used for developing the schedule. In some organizations where multiple options are available, the project manager may perform an alternative analysis to make sure the best options are selected. All this work cannot be done alone and should not be done by the project manager in a silo. There are many stakeholders that can provide help and expertise in developing the schedule management plan. First, the project team should be involved in the whole process, as they will be the one working on the project. The project manager should consult the sponsor and other stakeholders that can provide input into the level of risk versus the level of detailed scheduling that should be done. For example, how often the schedule should be reviewed: weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. Input from stakeholders will help in making this decision. The end result of all this review, analysis, and consultation is the schedule management plan. Now let us talk about what is in the plan. The plan will identify the scheduling method, tool, and model that will be used. How accurate the schedule is to be. How many details to get into. Should the estimate be in weeks, days, or hours? When to estimate weeks and when in hours? What are various units of measure that will be used? How the resource effort is to be measured in dollars, effort hours, effort days. Similarly for distances, weight, and other measures, the unit of measure will be decided. How the baseline will be created, who will approve it, how often the schedule will be reviewed. Are there any organizational procedure requirements? Reporting can be one such requirement. So what will be the reporting format, frequency, and method? How much variation in the schedule is acceptable? Or if I say, how late is too late that the schedule baseline needs to be revised? This goes hand in hand with tracking schedule performance, which can be done using earned value management or simple variance analysis based on percent complete or how many deliverables completed and how many left. So with answers to all these questions, all this information is written down in the schedule management plan.